Pig's got a house. It looks good. Coon is enjoying his corn mix.
Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah.
Nope. That works. Look at all that mud. Nice. I can't wait to fill this back up. That boy is a little aggressive right now. If everything works. And as the way things have gone lately. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. I need to catch you up to speed because we've got some things that have gone on here. The pig house. The pig house is now painted. As you can see, the pigs had a little bit of fun. Yeah, they tend to do that. Every time we paint one of their houses, they like to leave their mark by rubbing all their mud right on the corners. They've got their own house now, so any hurricane, any storm, whatever we might have with a lot of rain, they've got coverage, both the coon and the hog. Every animal here now has a home that is storm-proof. Oh. I put a bunch of coastal hay in the bottom too, so they have a bunch of padding. Pigs have a house, and inside we have some big things going on here in just a little bit as well. But today's video is sponsored by API. API is a trusted aquatics brand that has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your aquariums and ponds, and offer a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medication, and even nutritional products for your fish. I got a banner inside the fish building now. Now you've seen me dose my aquariums with this stuff, whether it's for curing ick, doing a simple water change, testing the water, whatever it may be, API has it all. You own a pond, this one's yet to get finished up, coming soon. You need an API collection just like this. I'm telling you, it saved me many times. The little goldfish are about to eat some of API's nutritional product right here.
And there they go, chomping away.
API products are available just about everywhere. If you have a pond, they sell bigger containers just like this, and all the information you'll need to know about whatever you may be using is right on the side of it. Or if it's on something smaller like a bottle like this, it's on the back. Benefits, when to use, directions on how to use it, and then even tips on it. Like I said, API has helped me out a lot in the past, especially owning something like this, a big old fish building. If you don't own any API, the link is right down below. Click it or shop any local store, they've got it. I mean, would you just look at that? Would you look at it? Thanks so much, API. Click the link down below, and yeah, let's get into the video. I'm also just doing everyone's water because it is just getting so dang hot out here in Florida. It's ridiculous. We haven't had rain. There's no rain. Anyway, the pig's got a house. It looks good. Coon is enjoying his corn mixed grain right now. Same with Babe over here.
Oh yeah, babe. Oh yeah.
I am loading up all the feed bins. And you'd be surprised how much feed has spiked up in price. If any of you at home have animals, you know just how expensive it has gotten recently to just keep pigs, as simple as pigs, I mean. So this is what all the feed bins look like about after a week. They're very low, if not empty. I know, Duke, you're hungry. I'm mixing it this time with some whole corn. This is the good stuff right here. They love this stuff. Listen to them crunch, ready? Duke couldn't have gave you guys an any better performance right there. He literally went straight to the mic. Sorry. Anyway, let's do some feeding. After a good mixture, that is what the food looks like. You got that mixture between the grain and the whole corn, and they love it. It's just an extra little treat for the pigs. And of course, our chickens that roam the property as well. There you go.
Eat up, buddy.
They are loving their food, let me tell you. As you can see, they just kind of run around and get it all out of the dirt. Their pond is gone. They've completely filled in their pond now that we haven't had rain. If you don't remember, we made a pond for the pigs right here. They loved it while it lasted. And then we didn't have any rain, it dried up and they just kind of filled it in themselves. That's pigs for you. Every time I feed, I get these little doves that come to the property. You see them walking right there. Oh, there he goes. They'll come in and pick all the little pieces of food off the ground that the pigs missed. And I have like a flock of those things here at the house. They're really beautiful birds. And now every day, about twice a day, this is what the pig's water bowl looks like. Ready? Oh yeah, that's how thick the mud is on the bottom of that thing. Look at all that mud. Nice. And that's from these pigs. They just go into the bowl with mud on them and then the mud comes off in the water and it fills that. So I gotta do that a lot. Rinse the dirt out and fill it up with some fresh water and those pigs are good to go. We do that for every single enclosure. I'm giving you guys like the daily routine here at the farm. If you want to see more feeding, like I feel like I don't film it enough, I do this every day. Smash the like button if you want to see more stuff just like this right here. Now we got to go to the goats. Can't forget about the obviously Lady May and Mango, of course. Goats are next though. So I gave them a fresh thing of TNA this morning, and as you can see, they're all ready to have their daily dose of grain. Right, buddies? Right? Oh God. Oh, King. I need to submit you into a boxing match. There we are.
Nope.
That works. All right. Hey guys. All right, she's closing. There you go, buddy. Now the ducks eat like literally once a day in the mornings, and then at night they eat like this. They're just kind of like finicky. They don't all want to eat, but they eat. And this is their food right here. It's like this little pellet ball mixed with, looks like corns in it. But I keep this pond filled up temporarily as it drains because we have no rain. I'll just continue to keep the water like a couple inches deep in here so they do have water until we figure out what we're really doing with this enclosure here. I think we're gonna do a really cool pond there eventually. Oh, look at the fish. Everyone's out. I caught you guys lacking when the lights were off, huh? I can't wait to fill this back up. And we're filling it back up in this video right here. Before we fill it up, I got to show what we got done on the 5,500 gallon. This right here made the whole corner, the whole Amazon corner that's a mess right now, so much better. We got art. It's on the pond, but I'm not gonna show you it before. Enjoy these next few seconds or a minute or so. I don't really want to rush it because it's super cool time lapse of this art right here behind me get done on the 5,500 gallon. It is worth the watch. Hopefully you enjoyed that. It looks absolutely stunning. My goodness, look at that. What do you guys think of that? Comment down below, rate that 1 to 10. Now, as you know, we have all of our advanced member names all around this wall right here. We're almost out of room. Once we do run out of room, I have a couple ideas on where we're gonna put the rest of the names because we need a lot of space. You members are killing it. Exclusive videos, live streams, and more. If you are a member, you know the gist. The link is down below if you do want to join. I think I'm gonna start throwing names up on the 5,500 gallon. Just start loading this pond with your names all the way around it. Join right now, become a member, click the link down below. I'm telling you, it's worth it. On the other hand, let's check on Leo here. As you know, he's got a name tag now. Leo the Chameleon. Where are you, Leo? Leo, where are you? It's always a game of manhunt. Never know where this chameleon is. Oh, you're playing straight up and down today, huh? Oh, he's aggressive right now. That boy is a little aggressive right now, but he is turning into an adult, let me tell you. He's grown so much already, and his colors are just getting more vibrant as the day goes on. He's standing straight up and down right now. Look at that. There you go, buddy. Enjoy your day, Leo. I don't want to bug you. See you later. Well, we've updated you on the animals. We've updated you on Leo the Chameleon. We've updated you on the massive piece of artwork right here that is now on the 5,500 gallon. Beautiful, great touch. We're gonna head to the back of the pond, underneath and behind everything now. And I'm gonna show you what we gotta set up. Check this thing out. Not sponsored. Don't even know if this company is worth the buy yet. But I gotta get 2 pipes in and out right here so we can get this thing plugged in and start filling this pond up. We got the heater, and Hector was here yesterday and wired everything for this heater to get done. You can see the wire come down and around to here, and there it is right there, all wired. It's ready to go. I can literally click this on right now, which I'm not gonna do because no water is through it. But yeah, I've been waiting months for this, you know what. Oh, I also painted this pipe all black. Not down there yet, but I painted these black so they match the pond. I've been doing a lot off camera. I mean, I film as much as I can, but another thing I want to show you. Look at this pond. Woohoo! Talking about clear, the Mata pond is so dang clear, I don't even know what clear is when you look at this clear. Holy clear! It's so, do I need to say it? Clear! I've never seen anything clearer than that. Mata is in the back right there, hanging out in his little tunnel cave. I'm telling you, this stuff is no joke. It's crystal clear. Look at that. API. They actually sponsored today's video, so shout out to them. They're always helping me out here. I literally, as you can see, I love API. I also, I got a new couch. Where is that couch, you may ask? Well, there it is. Right there. Well, my spare tire is on the back of it, but this is the new couch for the fish building. Got a good deal on Facebook Marketplace. Couldn't beat it. Had to get it. The other one is getting moldy and stinky because it was before I had dehumidifiers in the building. So now we got a new one, and it's a leather. I'm just filming everything today, I guess. A new couch. On a real note though, we really do need to get that heater set up ASAP. So let's do it. We got all the PVC we need. Well, I'm currently drenched in sweat. It's been an hour since I picked up this camera. I was in the back just organizing everything, zip tying everything, and the piece I bought does not fit. I'm gonna have to pick up this video tomorrow. Great. If I can only explain how much of a pain in the this has been. I've been at it since 9 a.m. It is currently 2 in the afternoon. For one piece of plastic, I've driven all around my entire town. Finally did this little rubber mechanism to work with it because I ended up breaking this piece that it came with it. And this pond has drained me in every which way possible. Bank account, physically, all for these fish right here. And of course, to make awesome videos like this, but my goodness. I just want to get this done, get this heater flowing, and let these fish rock. All right, after a couple hours, we are filling up the pond. We finally have the water going in right now. It's filling up, and I think everything's gonna work. Fingers crossed, please, please everything works. Now, unfortunately, this all does not run, like the whole filtration system does not run until the water is over these right here. It has to be inside these pipes, which then fills up this drum system right here and allows it all to run correctly. This is a crazy amount of filtration. I'm gonna climb over right here. What we did today was stack these cinder blocks up and get this heater installed. As you can see, the plumbing is going from in there. It's gonna go through the heater, back out here, turn around and go all the way that way, through the UVs, and then back out this pipe right here. So there's a lot of filtration work going on. I tied up all the wires, made everything neat. It's on literally 2 different outlets, so that one and this one right here, which has the UVs on it. We got a lot of work done today, and I'm super, super excited to get everything plugged in and running. Finally be able to get some more fish for this, and that's, of course, if everything works. And as the way things have gone lately, let's not jinx ourselves, huh? For now, we are filling up. As you can see, right there, hose is filling it. It's gonna be like 5 hours. We got water past the window. I need to scrub these windows. Subscribe if you are new, and of course, so you don't miss whether this works or not, because I'm gonna see you in the next one. And I'm not gonna post, not tomorrow, but the next day I'll have a video up for you. Thank you so much for watching. Become a member down below. Wednesday, we are having a members only live stream, so you definitely wanna be a member. The link's down below, join it. And I will see you right back here in the next one when we figure out whether this worked or not. Peace out, Cuffaros.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you
Or
PC?
ma'am. Yes, hey, what's going on, everyone? What's going on? Welcome back to another video today. We have intruders.